For small businesses looking to invest in a heat press, there are several options to consider. The F2C 5-to-1 Pro heat press stands out for its versatility, making it an ideal choice for businesses that want to go beyond printing t-shirts and clothes. This heat press comes with 5 elements, including a half press, a Teflon-coated t-shirt plate, a mug press, and 2 plate presses, allowing businesses to diversify their output and produce a range of products, such as t-shirts, mugs, caps, ceramics, and textiles. The device can heat up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, features touchscreen technology, and electronically displays heat and time. Another option is the Tussie heat press machine, which offers impressive value for money. Its 15 by 15-inch heating plate enables it to handle large projects, and the LCD control panel allows for easy adjustment of temperature and time. The device has a maximum temperature range of 482 degrees Fahrenheit, a strong build, and automatic features that prevent heating damage and allow for unattended operation. It also shuts down automatically after 30 minutes of inactivity, making it a convenient and safe choice. For small businesses that focus on small-scale production, the Cry-Cut Easy Press 2 is a suitable option. This heat press is designed for small projects, such as babywear and t-shirts, and features a compact design and lightweight construction. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, it heats up quickly, in less than 2 minutes, and prints in under a minute, with a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After considering these options, the F2C 5-to-1 Pro heat press emerges as the top choice due to its versatility and potential to support small business growth. Its ability to produce a wide range of products can lead to increased income and diversification of output. Overall, the right heat press can play a crucial role in the success of a small business, and choosing the right one depends on the specific needs and goals of the business.